I'm going to show you another feature of this tool that I absolutely love called BetterTouchTool that you can find at boastr.day. I already did another video just explaining how to set it up for gestures. In this video, what I'm going to show you is some of the advanced features which work really cool and gives you some of the features that you'd see on Linux and Windows off late by default, but doesn't exist on the Mac. What you need to do is open your preferences, and once you get here, apart from all the other options here, there's also something called advanced. Click that, choose window snapping. I already have window snapping enabled, and this is how it works. Let's assume I start a terminal window. Let me just do that to show you guys. And what I can do with this is, earlier what I would have to do is to, if I want to resize it or move it along an edge, I would have to manually go find that edge, try to get it correctly, pull it around so that's the right size, and then move it to an edge that I want. In other operating systems like Linux and Windows, they have snapping capability. Now with this enabled here in BetterTouchTool, here's how it works. I'm just going to drag this and throw it against an edge, and you can see that if I throw it against a corner, it just occupies that quarter. If I throw it against an edge, you can see that it occupies the entire edge, and if I throw it against the top, it occupies the entire screen, just basically maximizing it. I've already also set the option to restore all window size if window is dragged over again, which you can see here in a little demonstration. I drag it to the left and then I bring it back, it comes back to its original size. This is really cool and it helps a lot of stuff. For example, if you wanted to compare two windows, let's say you wanted to have two terminal windows and you wanted to see what's happening on both of them at the same time, you can just throw it against each edge and have it appear vertically split across the screen. Really great tool and really powerful. There are of course a lot of options that you can set. Some of these were set earlier, for example animation, stuff like that. I really didn't want to have animation on, so I removed it, but your choice on what you want to do on that. The other great option is the window sizing and moving. As you can see, I've already set some of the option here. For the move window, I've set to apply it when I press Control, and the resize window when I press Alt. So here's how it works. Earlier, if I had to move this window, I would have to find the top bar and then drag it around. With this option, when I've set Control as an option, what I need to do is just press Control and move the mouse. Or drag along the trackpad, and it moves anywhere on the window. It need not be just the top bar. It can be anywhere on the window. With resizing windows, the same thing. Now you press Alt and then you drag it towards the side that you want, whether it's right or left, or just sideways, and it resizes the window. I think it's just very easy to do some of the things like aligning windows or moving them next to each other, where you can compare to the content in two windows, and it works really cool and works consistently. So try it out again, and I'm sure you'll fall in love with it. There are some other options you can put in the basic settings and other things which kind of control this, same thing like window snapping. Try it out. There'll be a few more other tools that I'll be checking out on Mac. So do subscribe, and I hope to see you again. Thank you.